Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the continuation of the DUB. As yesterday we have seen the introduction part of the dysfunctional uterine bleeding, and what we have seen that there is no any pelvic pathology in it, but there may be some from the word we understand from the dysfunctional uterine bleeding, that indicates the function is not doing properly. And as we know that for the normal menstrual cycle, the basic thing which is required, that is the hormones. What we say in the first diagram, here it is the normal. What we see, whatever the growth of the endometrium, as we know that for the growth of the endometrium, what is basics required, it is the estrogen and the progesterone. And in this, the estrogen and progesterone, it is secreted normally. That's why whatever the growth of the endometrium, it is properly. And when after completing of the 28 days, when there is a withdrawal of this estrogen and progesterone hormones, this endometrium shades off. That is 28 days normal cycle. How can you present it? And that this is the secretory phase. What is happens normally? This is normal physiology of the menstrual cycle. But in case DUB, in case of DUB, that is dysfunctional uterine bleeding, where the function of estrogen and progesterone is not taking properly. So what it leads to, when there is a some deficiency or deficiency of these hormones, what it leads to, whatever the growth, there are two conditions which are responsible in case of primary DUB, that is there is a improper ripening and improper shading. What is meaning of improper ripening? As what we see in first diagram, whatever the growth of endometrium, it is equally because of estrogen and progesterone. But due to deficiency of this estrogen and progesterone, whatever the growth it is improper. What we see in this diagram, somewhere it is a very nice growth, somewhere it is lack, somewhere it is very good, somewhere it is lack. And what happened afterwards, whatever the part which is growth has taken place, after 28 days it shades off. There again gap, because whatever this remaining part in between these parts gets become growth, and after between some 20 days again there is a shading. So how the clinically patient presents over here, there is a bleeding in between the menses, that is the cycle is not proper. Sometimes it is after 15 days, some 20 days, anything in between bleeding. So because of this improper ripening. While in case of improper shading, what happened over here, the growth has taken place